Title: Gregarious, Embracing Social Connections. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word gregarious. Gregarious is an adjective that describes someone who is sociable, enjoys the company of others, and thrives in social situations. It signifies the quality of being outgoing and friendly. Pronunciation: pronouncing gregarious is simple, ɡrɪˈɡɛriəs, with a soft G and clear enunciation. Use in a sentence. For example, gregarious individuals often have a wide circle of friends and are known for their welcoming and sociable nature. Importance: gregarious traits contribute to building strong social bonds, promoting teamwork, and enhancing the quality of personal and professional relationships. Conclusion: in summary, gregarious is a word that represents the ability to embrace social connections and the joy of being in the company of others. Thanks for joining us today on Connect to World. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, appreciate the positive impact of gregarious individuals in our lives and communities.